Mambo. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As usual, this is another day, the beautiful days. Today is Sunday, time to go just from church, and I'm here to make some vlogs and to show you around my streets. Do you see this church? Yeah, that's the church. I used to go to pray, and I was baptized at this church. This is Roma Catholic Church. It's called Saint Mary, and I'm right here around near this church. I'm walking around just to show you around to get some stories and the background of this street. It's a beautiful street. The sun is very shining. The weather is so nice. Let's walk near the trees because the sun is so shining. It's very warm like here. So guys, welcome back to my channel. So everyone miss my videos, don't forget to like, to comment, and subscribe, because if you give me much more power, more support, it can make me from one step to another. So guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me, for everyone who watch my video all the times when I'm upload it. So guys, thank you so much. So today we walk around just beautiful Sunday, the weekend vibes. We walk around and show you guys how it look at is. Always they show the beautiful press, new press in Tanzania's Morogoro, Modeko. This is a beautiful press. You see, there are a lot of tree around here. Guys, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. So, this street is very nice, very calm, and very silent. Actually, there is a only have a noise of some vehicles, street, the cars, and there is some noise of the movement of cars, motorbikes, and bajajes around here. And but there is no more interactions of people's movement of more interaction of people, something like that. That's why it's very too silent all the time, this street. Because a lot of people around here, they are busy with their lives. I think maybe they are not like to be to interact, maybe, or they are stay low. I don't know, maybe, but there is the answer between of that all. And this is the new road. This was built around 2 months ago. This one, and like you see there, let's show you one thing. That one is the project instruction informations about the construction of that roads. Around you see, I show you this one, Lords. This is was the title of this project. I think Tanzania City Transformation Structure Constructions. It's just about this road. It's built almost 2 months ago. Just it's just called Rami. In Swahili we call Rami, but in English I think it's just we call, I don't know. But this is one of the roads, and you see there, everyone is easy. This around very beautiful, very nice. This place, um, just some kind of this house for sale. Yeah, the for sale. It's almost just a long time. It was. Rated for sale. Maybe the price is very high, but it's old house. It's not a new house, just a old house, and but it's for sale. Um, you see there are lots of beautiful house there. You see there, yeah, beautiful house right there, and there's just something like people moving around, just watching, and the people are very, they are looking at me. They are just, they don't understand what I'm doing for, but I'll keep it in touch. That's it, kwema. I'll so show you a lot. Jua linawaka ila nitafanyaje? Wanasema Waswahili mchumia juani ulia kimvulini. You see the beautiful houses there, just mansions, very nice house, just expensive house. I think this house was built almost more 20 years, 10 years ago, or 15 years. This is a beautiful house. I like it. One day, yes, God is good. I will build that house for my mom. Yeah. So, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, guys. Just I'm not upload frequently, but it's because I need to fight for my own livings. The cost of living is very high, and I need to just to take a lot of time to do some jobs in order to get some money for survive, you know. So, but yeah, everything is cool. Now on, I'm going to post consistently and not non-stop. Non-stop. I'll show you around, guys. Non-stop. So, most of beauty street in Morogoro. Yeah, because as I told you, I was based in Morogoro. And Morogoro is a beautiful place to live because it's very silent, it's very calm to anyone, and everybody is just they are mind their own business. Nobody care about others, but people are more focused about to look when you shoot something with cameras. They are so surprised about that. It's not a normal thing in our society. It's just like that. I can say something like that. So, this street it was just like a lot of people who stay here just they get a lot of plots. I mean large plots because this street I think the people who work at the government at that time at the sector of land maybe, so they cut for themselves, they they buy for them for themselves at the low prices that times. You see this very big, very big. I can show you. Let's turn my camera. It's very big approach, very big approach. You see around there, very big approach. It's almost I don't know what to measure this by approximate, but it's very big approach here. I'm just at the welcome go somewhere. Baby, just like kind of beauty, beauty, you see. Yeah, just very amazing places to stay. Yeah. In the time I was so young, we used to pray at the rail stations, talk like this. Just it was a fun time. Just walk, you walk for a long time, long places. Just just to enjoy, and with other friends, we love to walk on this person. real proud of you, baby. I'm very proud of you. I'm real proud, I'm real proud. I'm real proud, baby. I'm real proud. You deserve what you deserve. I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready.